Hey everyone, it's Keith and Scott at Cycle Bicycles in Rancho Cucamonga. I just wanted to show you a cool new tool from Abbey Bike Tools. This is the Crombie lock ring remover and chain whip. Nice little tool made in the US, stainless steel parts. It's got a double-sided head. One is campy and one is for Shimano and SRAM cassettes. The nice about it folds together, so it saves space in the toolbox. Really quick on the go if you're at a race or if you just have a toolbox in your car. So we just wanted to show you the difference between the two methods. In the shop area, efficiency and speed and ease of use is a really big deal in getting your bike serviced. So we wanted to demonstrate the two methods, the new way and the old way. So we'll do it right now. What's nice about this tool is you don't have to take the skewer off. All you do is just press that down.
Shock issue. It becomes charged for a long time, but after like 3 weeks it kind of faded. And the lock holds and it slightly goes down.
Set slides right off and you're good to go. If you have any other questions, you can visit abbeybiketools.com. This is Keith and Scott from Cycle Bicycles in Rancho Cucamonga, California. And also don't forget to visit socalcycling.com and have a great day.